2025 Porsche Panamera/Panamera e-Hybrid. Starting at $102 EST. Highs. High-tech features abound, sport over luxury. Road manners are true to Porsche's ethos, just try to resist its menu of high-priced options. Lows. Screen-heavy dashboard may not appeal to everyone, interior noise levels are higher than they should be, XXL price tag. Verdict. Porsche's four-door sports car offers driving thrills, daily driver practicality, and an abundance of luxury, and you'll pay dearly for its special mix of character traits. Overview. It might have its engine up front and a duo of extra doors, but it's clear from the way that the 2025 Porsche Panamera sedan drives that it's a close relative of the iconic 911 sports car. Up front is a turbocharged V6 with 348 horsepower, an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission sends the power to the rear or all four wheels. There's also a pair of plug-in hybrid models, the 4e Hybrid and the 4s Hybrid, which bump power up to 463 and 536 horsepower, respectively. An even more powerful Turbo e-Hybrid plug-in hybrid model is on offer, which we review separately. The standard Panamera is a pricey option among premium sports sedans, requiring a six-figure outlay even for the base trim. What you get for that scratch is a spacious interior with high-tech features and top-shelf luxury. For example, the dashboard can be equipped with up to 3 separate displays, one for gauges, a central display for infotainment, and a third screen on the right for the front passenger. Spend more money and you can outfit the Panamera with leather wrapping just about every interior surface. Or ignore the bottom line and create a one-off personalized version via the laundry list of a la carte options and Porsche's paint to sample program. The company will match any color swatch you provide. What you won't be able to get with any Panamera is a floaty, luxury barge ride, lazy handling, or wimpy acceleration. This is a luxury car built exclusively for driving enthusiasts. What's new for 2025? 2 plug-in hybrid models join the Panamera lineup for 2025. The 4e Hybrid comes with a 463 HP all-wheel drive powertrain, while the 4s Hybrid churns out 536 ponies. Both models share the non-hybrid styling and chassis components, both of which were freshened for 2024. An exclusive option for the e-Hybrid models is an active suspension system with hydraulic pumps that quickly react to bumps or aggressive cornering to help maintain a more level ride. Pricing and which one to buy. The price of the 2025 Porsche Panamera is expected to start around $102 and go up to $128.795 depending on the trim and options. Base. $102,000, EST. 4. $109,000, EST. 4e Hybrid. $117,495. 4s Hybrid. $128,795. We'd recommend sticking with the base rear-wheel drive Panamera and investing in some decent winter tires if you need to venture out in the snow. We'd instead use the savings to spring for the available premium package, which adds fancier LED headlamps, lane keeping assist, a 14-speaker Bose stereo, a 360-degree exterior camera system, heated and ventilated front seats, heated rear seats, and 4-zone automatic climate control. Otherwise, the rest of the options available on the Panamera are mostly offered a la carte rather than in bundled packages, so you can customize your car to your exact desires. Engine, transmission, and performance. Under the hood of the Panamera and Panamera 4 is a turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 with 348 horsepower. Both come with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, but only the 4 comes with all-wheel drive, the base model is rear-wheel drive. The plug-in e-Hybrid models have the same turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 under their hoods but add electric motors to boost combined horsepower. In the 4e Hybrid, this setup pumps out 463 horsepower, while in the 4s Hybrid, it makes 536. When we drove the hybrid models, we didn't notice a significant difference between the updated powertrains and the previous ones. All models come with an adaptive airspring suspension system. A rear-wheel steering feature is optional, and the e-hybrid models can be had with an active suspension system that leverages the car's 400-volt electrical architecture to control a hydraulic pump at each damper to help minimize body movements. The Panamera's ride is noticeably firmer than other large luxury sedans, but as the sporting option in its segment, we appreciate that. Dialing things up further are the Sport and Sport Plus driving modes, which set the adaptive suspension to even firmer settings. What's decidedly not luxurious about the Panamera was the amount of road noise we noticed during our initial test drive. Roar from the tires over the pavement leaks into the cabin more so here than in rival sedans. 0-60 mph times. Porsche says the base model is good for a 5.0 second run to 60 miles per hour while the 4 should get there in 4.7 seconds. After driving a Panamera 4 in Spain, we estimate it's capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds. The 4e Hybrid and 4's e-hybrid models will likely be quicker still. Porsche says that the 4s can hit 60 miles per hour in as little as 3.5 seconds. We wouldn't be surprised if they do even better than that. Porsches often do, when we take them to the test track. Range, charging, and battery life. The 4e Hybrid and 4's e-hybrid both come with a 21.8 kWh battery pack and an 11 kW onboard AC charger. Porsche estimates that the battery can be recharged in about 2.5 hours on an AC connection, and the car can also use its own V6 to recharge the battery up to 80% when cruising at speeds above 34 miles per hour. With a full battery, we expect the e-hybrid models to offer around 30 miles of electric range. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The EPA's estimates for the base Panamera's fuel economy aren't out yet, but the all-wheel drive 4 is rated for 18 mpg city and 25 mpg highway. The e-hybrid models have also not yet been rated by the government. When we get a chance to test the Panamera models on our 75 mph highway fuel economy test route, we'll update this story with the results. For more information about the Panamera's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The cabin of the Panamera can be set up to seat 4 or 5, with either rear bucket seats or a bench. Leather upholstery is standard with even fancier hides available to wrap the seats, doors, dashboard, and steering wheel should you want to splurge. The front seats are power adjustable and either come with a comfort-oriented design or a sport-oriented one with adaptive elements intended to hold you tighter during spirited driving. Adults should find the rear seat comfortable for long drives so long as there aren't 3 of them scrunched back there, and the Panamera's large trunk provides plenty of space for luggage or a week's worth of groceries. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.6-inch curved digital gauge cluster looks cool behind the steering wheel and complements a 10.9-inch infotainment touchscreen in the center of the dashboard. A second 10.9-inch display is optional for the passenger's side of the dashboard and provides access to more entertainment features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard across the board, as is a wireless smartphone charging pad. A 14-speaker Bose stereo is available, or you can select a stereo tuned by Burmester with 21 speakers. Safety and driver assistance features. Basic driver assists such as automated emergency braking are standard on the Panamera, but if you want more advanced tech, such as adaptive cruise control with lane centering, you'll have to pay extra. For more information about the Panamera's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control with a lane centering feature, warranty and maintenance coverage. At 4 years or 50,000 miles, Porsche's limited and powertrain warranties are competitive in this class, and its 24-hour roadside assistance program spans the same amount of time. Porsche also includes complimentary scheduled maintenance for a short period, but BMW's program is considerably longer. Limited warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 4 years or 50,000 miles. Hybrid components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance is covered for 1 year or 10,000 miles.
I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate I attack.